Stranger danger got my girlfriend pregnant, so I told her it's either me or the baby. 2 months ago, my girlfriend was intimately assaulted in a park. She didn't want to report it and went into a full breakdown, refusing to speak to the police or go to the hospital. I couldn't force her, so I just stayed with her. She was obviously in a really terrible state, and I've been by her side, listening to her, and helping her. We went to therapy, and she knows I'm there for her. She has a history of depression, and I've been really worried. Last week, we found out she was pregnant. Prior to the assault, I was abroad for work for around 2 months, so the baby definitely isn't mine. She is 100% sure it's the assaulters. So we had a discussion. Keep in mind she is a devout Catholic. Initially, we decided to uninstall the baby, but after she spoke to her mother, she has decided to keep the baby, saying that it isn't the baby's fault. I flat out told her that I would not help raise the baby of a guy who intimately assaulted her. She cried and begged me not to leave. I told her she is the one making the choice. Either she keeps the baby and I leave, or she uninstalls the baby and I stay. I would not let this go. She didn't want either of those things to happen, so I told her we were done. I feel terrible. Update 1. Yesterday, I received a call from my girlfriend. She was crying, and she begged me to listen to her. I told her that I still care for her and that I'll obviously listen to what she has to say. She told me that a few days after I told her we were done, she called up her mother to talk about this. Apparently, what happened before was that she had pretty much decided on uninstalling the baby, but then when she spoke to her mother told her that under no circumstances should she uninstall, and that I was actually manipulating her to do so. Her mother went on to say that if she uninstalled the child, she would no longer consider my girlfriend as her daughter. After I left her, my girlfriend called her mom up to talk about what went on. My girlfriend said that she desperately wanted to go through with the operation, and her mother again said that if she does so, this is the last time they will ever speak again. She broke down on the phone, and her mother kept asking her what she was going to do. The conversation then ended when my girlfriend said she didn't know. Then she started texting. After a few hours of thinking, my girlfriend sent her mom a text saying she was going to do it. She was then blocked. My girlfriend then called me and told me everything. She will have it done in 3 weeks. I discussed this with my girlfriend, and we both completely agreed that I had not manipulated her in any way, and that she appreciated that I put my foot down because had I not, she would have had a baby who would remind her of the worst time of her life, her words, not mine. She further went on to say that I am the best thing that has ever happened to her, and that she knew that even if she no longer had a mom, if she had me, she could get through this. I broke down at this point. I love her so much. In truth, I probably would have gone back to her and raised the baby with her, even though I knew I'd resent it. I made the original thread to get some backing rather than anything, to see if I had made the right decision. I'm so relieved things have turned out the way they have. Also, screw any mother who places religion over their own child. Friggin' lunatics. Update 2. I was hoping to post here again after the operation, but I thought I should provide an update on some recent events from a mother from the pits of Satan's rectum. On Saturday, I answered my door and stood face to face